reward for all the good we have experienced in the land of our birth, India. This day is devoted to honoring the Constitution of independent India.
Gives me a great pleasure to stand before you this early morning to extend a warm welcome for today's Republic Day celebration.
State anthem in chorus begin.
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Respected father, sister, teacher, chief guest and my dear friends. We have all gathered here today to celebrate the Republic Day. First of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. This year, India is celebrating its 75th Republic Day. A drafting committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was established by the Constituent Assembly on August 29, 1947 with the goal of creating an Indian Constitution.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಭಾರತ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವು 1949 ನವೆಂಬರ್ 26ರಂದು ಅಂಗೀಕಾರವಾಗಿ 1950ರ ಜನವರಿ 26ರಂದು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಈ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಹತ್ವ ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಲೇ. ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸಮಾನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಬೇಕಾದ ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳು, ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಹ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿವೆ.
On this beautiful occasion of Republic Day, I would like to thank our manager and correspondent, Reverend Father Alvin Stanislas, and the headmistress of our school, Reverend Sister Lily John, for supporting and guiding us to conduct this Republic Day celebration meaningfully. My sincere thanks to all the teaching and non-teaching staff. A heartfelt thank to our chief guest, Mr. Venkatesh S. Raikar. Sir, your presence indeed